Hello students, this is the last part of this chapter, that is what are functions. We have already seen that how to define functions. There are three types of functions. Some inbuilt functions are there, and then module based functions are there, then user defined functions are there. User defined functions, again we have divided into two parts: one who returns a value, one who do not return a value. And according to the parameter, again two types: parameterized functions and non-parameterized functions. And then we have defined functions with the definition. It's a syntax: def and then function name, then within bracket parameter or without parameter, and then function functionality or some statements we wrote. And then we have seen that how to call this function, how to return value from the function. Now we'll see the last part of this chapter, that is what a scope of variable. Scope of variable, or say lifetime of a variable. Lifetime of variable means its life inside the program. कि एक वेरिएबल प्रोग्राम में along with its value कितने टाइम तक रह सकता है या कितने टाइम तक रहेगा, या उसका लाइफ टाइम का जो पीरियड है वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक है, या उसका स्कोप है. स्कोप मीन्स कि वो कहाँ कितनी दूर तक एक्सेसिबल रहता है, कितने दूर तक उसको हम एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ नोन एज व्हाट, स्कोप ऑफ ए वेरिएबल. So there are two types of scope of a variable: a local scope and a global scope. Local scope means function का scope बहुत कम होगा, वो locally available होगा within that particular area or compound statement. So let's see, local scope: variable used inside the function. It cannot be accessed outside the function. In this scope, the lifetime of variable inside a function is as long as the function executes. They are destroyed once we return from the function. Hence, a function does not remember the value of a variable from its previous calls. यानी एक function में अगर कोई variable define है, so its lifetime will be inside the function only. It cannot be used outside the function. And once we execute the function, its lifetime starts. Once we came out of that function with the help of return statement, or once the function is over, then the lifetime of the variable which is defined inside the function is over. So its lifetime is inside that function only. That is known as local scope. And second one is a global scope. Global scope means उसका lifetime local scope से ज़्यादा होगा, globally available होगा. So variable can be accessed outside the function. In this scope, lifetime of a variable is the period throughout which the variable exists in the memory. जब तक मेमोरी में एग्जिस्ट करता है तब तक उसका लाइफ टाइम वहाँ पर अवेलेबल होगा या रहेगा. So that way there are two type of lifetime. Let's take an example. We'll see one example with that. That example is, say suppose I'm by defining one variable, say function def, and then I'm defining a function add function without any variable. Here I'm defining a is equals to 20, and say b is equals to 30, and say c is equals to a plus b. Now print c. I'm printing. It's a simple program. We have seen it's non-parameterized function program. Now I'm calling this, or I'm defining another variable a is equals to say 30. Here I'm printing not c, printing a only, and we don't have this value. Suppose, see, I'm doing a lot of things. B, this value is not there, we are not printing anything, simply a20 and print a. And now a30, now I'm calling this function add, and then I'm printing this value, print a. Okay, what I did, one function I have defined add, inside this only one value a20 that I am printing, nothing else. These two lines are not there, suppose. Okay, let me remove these two lines. I'm removing these two lines. Okay, and this print a, simply I'm printing this line, say print a. So one print a is there. So simply I'm printing this value, nothing else. Now here a is equals to 20. This is another variable, say, and the name of the variable is same a 30. Add a and print a. Now let's see. this A20, now here if we execute this function, so this ADD, it will call this function and then print 20, and this print A, it will print 30. This A will be printed this value printed by this A, because this A cannot be used here. This way cannot be used here, means its value cannot be used here. Let's take another example. I'm defining function x. Here I'm defining here z is equals to 10 and then print z. Okay, now I'm calling this function x. So as I'm calling this function, the value of z will be displayed as 10. Now if I write print z here, as I wrote here print z, here I wrote print z, same way I'm writing print z here, but this is invalid because this z is valid inside the function only. So its scope is only inside this function. So its scope is known as local scope. Same way here this A, its scope is also local scope, and this A, it can be available anywhere. So its scope will be global scope. So this A is global, he defined. This A is locally defined. Same way this Z is locally defined. So this way the local and okay. So let's see this example here. Here it is given one example, def my function x is equals to 10, print value inside function x, and x, one more time this x is defined with value 20. One is defined with value 10 here, and one is defined with value 20 here. So this way two values are defined with 10 and 20. Now my function is called here, this line function is called here, here it is called. So now it is displaying, what it is displaying, print value outside function. Now here print value inside function. So the output will be got value inside function 10, means it is accessing this x. This x means this 10 value. Now this value outside function 20 it is displaying, means it is accessing this value, this 20 value. So this way 1x10 is defined as a local variable, x20 where the value of x is 20, this x is defined as global value. So this way both the functions can be defined as local scope and global scope, means the lifetime of this x is equals to 10 is inside this function only, x is equal to 20, it's outside or anywhere. This way this chapter is finished, and next chapter will be file handling. We'll see file handling next time. इस चैप्टर को आप अपनी कॉपी में नोटबुक में अच्छी तरह से नोट कर लें, और जो भी असाइनमेंट्स गूगल क्लासरूम के थ्रू मैंने दिए हुए हैं वो सारे असाइनमेंट्स आप अपने एक सेपरेट कॉपी में सभी असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. और नेक्स्ट चैप्टर फाइल हैंडलिंग है. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. फर्स्ट विल कंप्लीट ऑल C++, all Python chapters, and then we'll go for next two remaining chapters. Okay, so next class we'll see file handling chapter. Thank you.